Hi, Paul. How's your day going?
Not so great, Jenny. I had a tough morning.
Oh, no. I feel tired and a little lost.
Lost? Why?
Paul, what happened?
Study English every day. I know many words, but I still cannot speak.
Ah, yes. Many people feel like that. When I try to talk, I stop. I forget everything.
Your mind just goes blank.
Go blank. What does that mean?
It means your brain stops for a moment, like error, no words.
Oh, yes. That's exactly what happens to me. Don't worry, Paul. You are not alone.
Really?
Of course. I will teach you 5 easy ways to feel more confident when you speak.
Oh, thank you, Jenny. And today we will practice together. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand everything.
Okay, slow and easy. Perfect. Let's start with tip number 1. Sometimes I want to speak, but there's no one to talk to.
No one? Not even your cat?
My cat only says meow. That's not English.
Poor Paul. Okay, then you must talk to the best person in the world.
The best person who?
You talk to yourself.
To myself? You mean like crazy talk?
No, it's called self-talk. It means you practice speaking with yourself.
Self-talk. Sounds funny.
Funny, but very good. You can do it anytime, when you cook, when you walk, or when you look in the mirror.
Okay, but what can I say?
Easy. Talk about your day, the weather, or your feelings. Like this. Today is sunny. I feel good. I will learn new words today.
Today is sunny. I feel good. I will learn new words today.
Yes, that's it. You sound great. It feels strange, but fun.
Exactly. Fun and useful. This is the secret to practice every day. I like it. I can do this every morning.
Perfect. And remember, when you talk to yourself, you are not crazy. You are learning.
Okay, I'm a crazy learner.
The best kind of crazy. Ready for the next tip?
Yes, let's go, Jenny. Now it's time for tip number 2. Record your voice.
Record my voice. You mean like on my phone?
Yes, just press record and speak.
Oh, but I don't like my voice. It sounds weird.
Everyone feels that way at first, even me. You really, Jenny?
Yes, the first time I heard my voice, I said, "Who is that?"
Same. I thought, that's not me. But listen, when you record your voice, you can hear your mistakes, but also your progress.
Progress? You mean when I sound better?
Exactly. You will hear how you grow day by day. I like that. Let's try it right now.
Right now. Oh, okay. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Paul. I am learning English and I feel good today.
Hello, my name is Paul. I am learning English and I feel good today.
Great. Now press play. Let's listen.
Oh, that's me.
Yes, that's you, and you sound great.
It's fun, and I can hear every word.
See, recording helps you speak clearly. I will record myself every day.
Perfect. That's how you grow fast. Okay, what's the next tip, Jenny?
Coming soon. But first, take a deep breath. All right, Paul, are you ready for tip number 3?
Yes. What is it this time, Jenny?
It's called shadowing.
Shadow what?
Shadowing. It means you repeat what you hear.
Repeat what I hear, like copying.
Yes, but in a good way. You listen to a video or a person, then you speak at the same time.
At the same time. That sounds hard.
Not hard, just fun. I will show you. Okay, let's try. Repeat after me. I can do it. I'm learning every day. My English is getting better.
I can do it. I'm learning every day. My English is getting better.
Good. Now let's try more. I love learning English. I speak with confidence. I never give up.
I love learning English. I speak with confidence. I never give up.
Yes, that's it. Feel the energy. I listen, I repeat, I grow.
I listen. I repeat. I grow. I believe in myself. I can speak English.
I believe in myself. I can speak English. Perfect. You sound amazing.
It's fun. I feel like a real speaker.
You are a real speaker, Paul. So I just need to copy your voice.
Yes, copy the rhythm, the sound, the feeling. Okay, I will shadow you every day.
The best student ever. Okay, Paul, are you ready for tip number 4?
Listen and learn.
Listen. I already listen every day, but I still don't understand everything.
Yes, that's because you must listen. The smart way.
The smart way? What's that?
Easy. You listen 2 times. First with subtitles, then without them.
2 times. Why 2?
The first time helps your eyes. The second time helps your ears. I like that. Let's try it together. I have a short dialogue.
A dialogue. Oh, cool. Okay, let's listen.
Hello, how are you? I'm good. How about you? I'm great. Nice weather today.
Okay, that was slow and clear.
Yes, that was the first time. Now we listen again, but no subtitles.
All right, let's do it.
Hello, how are you? I'm good. How about you? I'm great. Nice weather today.
Whoa, that was faster. But I understood everything.
See? That's how your ears get strong.
My ears are strong now. Strong ears. I will listen like this every day.
Perfect. Watch videos, listen to songs, podcasts, anything you like. Even cartoons.
Especially cartoons. That's fun.
Good, because now we are ready for tip number 5.
Wow, what is it this time, Jenny?
Celebrate your small wins.
Celebrate. I like that word.
You will like it even more in the next scene. It's time for tip number 5. Celebrate your small wins.
Celebrate? You mean like a party?
Not exactly. You don't need balloons.
Oh, no balloons. That's sad.
Celebrate means to be happy about what you did, even small things.
Small things like what?
Like when you understand one new word, or when you say one full sentence without a mistake.
Oh, yesterday I watched a short video in English and I understood everything.
Wow, that's a win. Celebrate that.
Okay, I celebrate.
Yeah, that's the spirit. So celebrate means say, good job, me, right?
Yes, exactly. Say it. Good job, me.
Good job, me. See? Learning can be fun.
Yes, I feel good. And when you feel good, you learn better. I will celebrate every small win.
Perfect. Even when it's just one new word, or when I say a full sentence without stopping.
Yes, or when you listen and understand a full song. Then I will celebrate every day.
Great idea, Paul. But let's practice together next time with our amazing viewers.
Yes, next time we all speak and practice together. Thank you for learning with us today. You are not alone, my friend. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and don't forget to celebrate your wins. See you next time. Bye, everyone.